for another video. I have to say thank you so super much for tuning in to another Pinky Pink Wednesday episode. Today, as you can see, we have cutie LOL surprise OMG Ace here with her pink and purple cuteness. Now, I know she's not all pink, but she's a lot of pink, so I think she qualifies to be in a Pinky Pink Wednesday episode. Yay! So we're gonna get into her box and her real quick. Here it says 15 surprises, and you can see some of the cute stuff that's in there. Then it says LOL surprise OMG here, and then here is the adorable box art. I love this, definitely keeping this. From the side, you can see her little feet and everything. And then here it says Ace, and then it has all her little gamer things, super cute. And then on this side, it just says Ace with the pink and purple and the black there. And then on the back, it has Ace and Perla. I do love Perla, but out of the two, I wanted Ace more, so I grabbed her because she was on sale at Target for $18. She was regularly like $25 or so, and I got her for $18, so I didn't think that was a bad deal. So here's the back of the box, and here's the barcode if you want to try and score her for yourself. She might still be on sale at Target. So there is her box, all of her cuteness. So from here, you all know the drill. Got my trusty scissors here to bust this cutie out of her box jail. Y'all know that I spare you all that stuff. I do all the cutting and all the craziness off camera, and then when I come back to you, she'll be all out of her box jail. So yay! All right, here she is. Yay, all out of her box jail. She's so cute. Unboxing her was not bad at all. The worst part was getting these little plastic things off of these cute little boxes here, but overall, not a bad deboxing experience. She comes with all kinds of little goodies. First, we're gonna look at this, her little card here that says she's a Scorpio, and there you can read it, October 23rd to November 21st. There's the back, Fashion Magazine, what's your star sign? Super cute. She also came with this adorable pinky pink little brush, which actually does work pretty well. And then in this little box, as you can see, it had her shoes, but I already put them on her, so we'll look at those later, but the box is super cute. This little box that says Game Over opens like this, and it has her little like virtual goggles or something of the sort, it looks like, in it. Super duper cute. And then in this cute little shopping bag, it had this tissue paper stuff, and it had some of the stuff that she has on, like the purse and the knee pads, but it also had this little hair clippy that says Game Over in Pinky Pink, and then these little, I think these are flowers. They are super tiny, y'all, but I didn't want to put them in her ears because of that cat ear thing that goes over it. I thought they might fall out or something, so I just kept them in the paper. And here's her little purse. It looks like an older Game Boy. I think this is my favorite accessory. It has the hole there where you can actually put stuff in it, and it has the pinky pink little strap, and then there on the back it says LOL OMG. It's super duper cute, and on the bottom it even has little like hashing details where it looks like it was sewn. I love this. This is my favorite accessory, I think, besides the shoes, but super duper cute. And then here is her little cat-eared gamer headset thing. Super duper cute, super pink. I love this. This is so cute and pink. She did come with this lilac-y lavender little LOL OMG doll stand. It has a secondary clip on the bottom, and it came with one, so it has two clips depending on like her waist size, which is super cute. I'm glad of the stands. I like it when they come with the stands, especially when they're, you know, around $20. I think that they deserve a stand. So there it is, super cute. And now this is her hair straight out of the box, except for there was a rubber band around this piece here in the middle that I took off. That's all I did. This is how it looks. You know, box hairy, it needs a brush. And this, the bangs, you can hear that they are a brick. Look how stiff they are. So what I'm gonna do is pause here, brush her little hair, and then come back to you. All right, I brushed out her hair, and I do have to say there wasn't really any hair loss. There was a few strings at the bottom that I clipped. Nothing that, you know, isn't expected. That happens a lot with the dolls. And it only had a little bit of product in the bottom of some of these like ringlet curls. See how curly and bouncy it is at the bottom? I love this lilac-y hair. So this is her hair now. Super cute. I love love the two tones. I love the pinky pink and the lilac-y lavender here. And then in the bangs, she has the same two colors, but she has a streak of black on either side. Now this, I don't care for the hardness, but I'll take care of that later when I get ready to put her on display. But overall, the hair is really super nice and soft, thickly rooted, as you can see, and it wasn't full of product, which I'm glad about that. It does have the box hair bump like we're used to, but that happens because they put them in there with all that stuff. So there is her adorable hair, and I love it. Now let's check out her cute little outfit. She has this little jacket with all these little danglers. This is supposed to look like string where you would pull it, but it doesn't work. It's not functioning. It's just decorative. And then these on the pocket are the same. They're just little buckles with the little cording, but they're super cute, and I really enjoy those, and I love the way they look. And then on the front here, it has the Velcro that we love, and it opens, not lined on the jacket part, but it is lined on the collar. So that's pretty cute, and it's the nice soft Velcro that we love. And then on the bottom, it has the little banding that says LOL OMG, and it goes all the way around. And then on the back, it says extra one up with a heart. How cute is that? Okay, I checked, and these pockets here on the front are just faux, just for looks, but the one on the sleeve actually works. It opens and it has the little flappy, if you can see that there. So that's adorable. And there's one on each side, and they both work. Yay! And then her little adorable skirt again has the LOL OMG banding that goes all the way around the top of the skirt, all the way to the back. And then it also has these cute little ropes on the pockets, these loops, the little grommets there that are actually in the silver metal, not just, gray. And the pockets do work. They do open. See, as you can see there, I can get my fingernail down in there. That's so cute. And both of them work. There's a few strings, but nothing that's a big deal. That's to be expected. And then here on the front, it has a faux zipper detailing, which I really love. And then on the back, it's a full Velcro all the way up to come off like that. And see, there you can see her little bodysuit underneath. We'll take this and open that. Look at how cute it looks. I love the zigzaggy patterning to the little fabric. Now, this is just cut and heat sealed, the little hole here. That I don't love, but it looks like the rest of this is all hemmed and sewn with good detailing here at the cuffs with the little pink and everything. So that I am glad about. And I pulled down the jacket sleeve so that we could see the top of the bodysuit here that has the meshy little white stuff there with the pink cuff that matches the cuff down here. That is super, super cute. Really love that they actually took the time to finish that underneath the jacket. And I did want to take note and let you guys know that it does have the little crotch catcher so that the skirt won't float around. That's a nice detail. Now we're going to take a look at her little knee pads. These are adorable. They came in the little BB boutique bag. They just slide on and off pretty easy. See, I got that off pretty easy. And it has like the little cat with the broken heart and the pink. So cute with the lavender. That's what they look like from the back. Pretty simple, pretty easy to put on. You just go like that and squish it, and it kind of does it itself. And there's no problem there. Super, super cute. I thought we'd talk about her little sockies next. So I took one of the shoes off so you could see what it looks like all the way down. It is sewn quite nicely. Pretty good detailing, and it has 3 little stripes there at the top, 2 pink ones, and then kind of like a orangey one, sort of, with some sparkles in it. That's pretty cute. And then this material is the same as her little bodysuit. Shoe time. Let's talk about the shoes. Well, actually, rollerblades is what they look like. These are adorbs. These are probably tied as my favorite accessory. These are just so cute, and they did just enough detail painting for me to be completely happy with it. The wheels are black. This is silver, this is white. They have the little laces in white. Then they have the little buckle and the little details in the lilac, but it has like an iridescence to it, and then the rest of it is pink. I love these. And they are detailed on the bottom, and then it says R and L on the bottom, so you know which shoe fits which foot. That is so cute. So these, have to say, are pretty much a 10 to me. I love these. These are super, super cute, and I am glad for all the detailing. So adorbs. All right, let's go over this Cuties articulation. We've discussed this before. They don't really have the up down. I don't know why. It's just an LOL OMG thing. Doesn't really bother me that much because they still do have the tilt. side to side, and then all the way around and all the rotation the other ways. So, I'm not completely mad at the fact that they don't have the up down. It would be nice if they did, but they don't. And then at the shoulder, she has the standard up down, back and forth, side 360, but I can't do it because of the jacket there. She does have the elbow joint and the wristy joint that goes up and down and all around. And I just have to, with these, I love that the palms and the fingers are so detailed. And then since we're looking at that, let's look at the nails. The nails look pretty good, not blobby painted on that hand or on this hand. So yay for that. The nails look nice, super bonus. And I forgot to mention when I was going over the coat, look at how cute this is here. The little ruching at the top, the little ruffling. I love that. But as for articulation, let's get back to that. She has the bend here where she can sit, no upper body articulation. She has the in, out, back, forth at the hip. And I think I might have to take that off. I'm not sure, but let's see. Yeah, there we go. Bend and snap knees that work even with the little knee pad on. So that is awesome. And that is this little cutie's articulation. Last but certainly not least, we're going to go over this cutie's face. Now, since I'm so close up, I'm going to show you there are the earring holes. I just didn't put the earrings in because of the little cat headphone. I thought they would get in the way somehow, but maybe I will later. But you guys saw them, and they're the actual metal tone, not just gray, which I love. Let's look at her little face. She does have a few little rubs, but most dolls do. You can remedy that with the magic eraser if you're careful. I've done it before, no big deal. Look at her eyebrows. They're cute. They're ombre. They're light to dark. Loving that. And then look at her little eye makeup over here with the silver stars and the silver winged eyeliner. Love that. Look at that little one on her cheek. And then there is this like periwinkle kind of blue around her eye, which I love, with the big swoopy eyeliner and the fluffy lashes. And then all this down here. Loving that. And her eyes look pretty good. She has the brown eyes. Love that. And then she has the candied lips. The last couple of ones I've had have had lips like this that look like candy to me. And I love that detail. She has beautiful blushing, really, really strong blushing. I love the eye makeup on this doll. Really, really stunning. Super, super cute. Love her little button nose and everything. So overall, her face gets about a 9.5 for me. Really, really love it. Super, super cute. The only thing I took off for was the scuffing, which can't sometimes be helped with the way they trap them in the boxes. But there is this adorable girl's cute little face, little cute LOL OMG Ace. So here Ace is head to toe, side, front to back, 360 all the way around, luscious pinky purpleness, adorable cute little LOL OMG gamer girl Ace. So for me as a dolly collector, I have to say she is a definite thumbs up buy and a win in my book. There's almost nothing that I don't like or love about this cute little pinky purple Ace girl. She's so adorable. I really, really liked her when I first saw her. Just didn't want to pay full price because there's other dolls that I want. So I always wait, and she went on sale and I snatched her up. So if you're on the fence about her, I would say definite thumbs up buy. All the details are really, really nice. No skimping here. Plus you get a stand. Plus bonus, she was on sale. So yay! Well, y'all, we did it. Another Pinky Pink Wednesday in the books. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say huge hugs and love to all you watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. And thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge, lovely Pinky Pink Wednesday subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers and watchers out there. I can never say enough just how much it means to me that y'all come along and you love Pinky Pink Wednesday, you watch the video and you comment. It's so wonderful. Y'all are truly the best. I thank you so much for absolutely everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows by the day because y'all come along, hit that button and say, boop. We like your dolly silliness and craziness and all the general dolly goodness that you get up to. So So, if you want to become part of Pinky Pink Wednesday and our Great Big Dolly Barbie YouTube family, all the hauls, all the shorts, all the vlogs, all the makeovers, anything you can think of in the Dolly world that I'm going to try right here and share the Dolly goodness with y'all, come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through another Pinky Pink Wednesday. So I hope you enjoyed it, and y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dolling, happy Pink Wednesday, happy Dolly Day, and